this lovely lady who created a mark for herself, simple सी model थी, वहाँ से super model बनी, and she didn't end there. वो कहते हैं ना, probably you can be, the life of modeling, the life of a girl in the modeling arena is probably 10 years maximum, 15 years, 18 years से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकती है. But she has truly, absolutely outrun all of them. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a supermodel with us who's doing fabulous web series. She's doing film and also you can watch her in great videos. बहुत ही unique है, लेकिन extremely close to everyone's heart. We love her. Please put your hands together for the very lovely supermodel who's extremely multi-talented, Miss Diandra Soares. Can we please have you here on the dais? And Rohit Verma is extremely excited. Rohit Verma, we'd like to invite you too on the dais. Can we please have you here? हर लड़की का सपना होता है that मैं भी रैंप पर चलूं. और जब वो रैंप पर सोचती है तो उनके दिमाग में सिर्फ एक ही नाम होता है, ladies and gentlemen, that is Rohit Verma. They would love to be in the Rohit Verma collection. Besides that, they would love to participate in shows by the one and only Rohit Verma. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for two very dynamic people here on the dais, Miss Diandra Soares and Rohit Verma. And on this lovely, lovely occasion, because Rohit is super excited seeing you, I want to ask him and request him to speak a few words. Rohit, can I please request you to speak a few words?
Well, thank you so much. I'm not a very good talker as the way you are, but...
You don't have to, but maybe you don't remember. The first time I walked on the ramp was because of you. I was trained by you, Simran Ahuja.
Well, I don't remember that. Diandra, congratulations. And I would like to tell Diandra has done a lot for our industry. And I've seen her growing. And she's doing good work. And she's an animal lover. Yeah, I keep on seeing her Insta stories with how many cats you have got at home? And she's a very beautiful human being. So let's hear for Diandra Soares.
Thank you so much. Am I supposed to say something? Why do I have this mic in my hand? Okay. Thank you, Simran. You're sweet and kind. When Diandra speaks, trust me, वो इतने jokes crack करती है, इनके जो one-liners होते हैं ना, मेरी हंसी नहीं रुकती है. Well, and she just did one in front of Rohit, but which was off the mic. So Diandra, please win everyone's hearts as usual. You're used to doing that any which ways by being yourself.
No, there are too many actually professional comedians here. So let me not. No, I don't think I can take their space. But thank you so much. This is very humbling.
Gorgeous, stunning, supermodel, multi-talented supermodel over here, Miss Diandra Soares, and the very, very ace designer, Mr. Rohit Verma. Thank you very much, and thank you, sirs. Thank you, Guruji, for doing the honors. I request all of you to kindly take your seats to watch our next performance. Yes, sir. 1 second, Rohit. Rohit, yes. Rohit, 1 second. Please wait, sir. I'd like to speak a few words. Sir, please.
Hello. Very pleasant evening to all of you. And let me confess, when I was invited to come and give few awards by my friend Himanshu, and of course I knew that Swamiji is going to be here, and our dear friend is going to be here. So I thought, okay, fine, it's a very routine thing, we go and we give the award. But I have to say few words in Hindi. राधा कृष्ण जिस मंच पे, जिस इस्कॉन में आके इस्कॉन आइकॉन अवार्ड्स के बारे में जिक्र है, आप लोग जानते होंगे या नहीं भी जानते होंगे कि राधा कृष्ण सिर्फ एक ऐसे हैं, एक ऐसे आप भगवान कह लीजिए, ऐसे देव कह लीजिए, जहां सबसे पहले राधा का नाम कृष्ण से पहले आता है। आप ये नहीं जानते होंगे क्यों हम कहते हैं शिव पार्वती, विष्णु लक्ष्मी, राम सीता। राधा और कृष्ण का जो प्रेम था वो एक अनोखा प्रेम था जिसमें सिर्फ त्याग था, क्योंकि उस प्यार में, उस प्रेम में कोई बंधन नहीं था। बंधन तो विवाह में होता है, इसके लिए उनके प्रेम में एक ऐसा निश्चल प्रेम था। तो आज इस स्टेज पर आकर just to give the awards in that premises ISKCON, I feel honored, and of course from the various walks of life I have seen people from my fraternity, from film industry, from television industry, and from the fashion industry. We have the distinguished people getting the awards. So I'm really honored to give all of you the awards, and of course being in the company of our great Swamiji also, it's always a pleasure. Well, he's a firm believer of Lord Shiva. I'm also a firm believer of Lord Shiva. शिव ही शक्ति है, शक्ति ही शिव है, वहीं से विष्णु है, वहीं से ही राम है और वहीं से ही कृष्ण है। ओम नमः शिवाय। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर काइंड वर्ड्स। और आपने जो कहा राधा पहले क्यों आती है हमेशा, राधा कृष्ण, राधे राधे कृष्ण, इट इज सो टची, सो ब्यूटिफुल। वेल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, लव इज इन द हाउस टुडे, और इतने प्यार भरे शब्द थे आपके सर, हम तहे दिल से आपका शुक्रिया कहना चाहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच सर। राधे राधे, राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू गुरुजी, थैंक यू सर। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, अब एक अलग ही दुनिया में चलते हैं, थोड़ा सा हम ब्रीदिंग स्पेस लेते हैं विद you know the recipients of the awardees, and this is जो आज बहुत ही सुपर पॉपुलर है। मेरे साथ हैं लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन आरजे दिलीप से।
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। और सिमरन थैंक यू, आप मुझे बुला नहीं रही थी, मैं जबरदस्ती घुस आया हूँ स्टेज पे, क्योंकि मैं बैक स्टेज नहीं रह सकता गाइस, मैं बैक स्टेज बिल्कुल नहीं रह सकता, और सर ने मुझे बाहर लगा दिया। मैंने कहा कि चलो
अरे मैं तो रेड कार्पेट ही करती हूँ, आई तो लव टू डू रेड कार्पेट, यू नो।
ओह माय गॉड। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां भारत आइकॉन अवार्ड 2018 के लिए, एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
थैंक यू वेरी मच लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
मतलब जिनको अवार्ड मिल रहे हैं वो तालियां बजा रहे हैं, जिनको नहीं मिल रहे हैं वो तालियां नहीं बजाएंगे।
This has been choreographed by Nigar and Jignesh Shah.
संस्कृत को बिठा वो उनको बिठाना मोबाइल के साथ जो है वो।
so much.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
And this was a very, very dynamic group. That is Nigar and Jignesha. To the owners, ladies and gentlemen, for the next set of awards, can you please have on the dais Mr. Kishore Kavya. हम मंच पर बुलाना चाहेंगे Mr. Kishore Kavya जी को. Can we please have you here, sir? And can we also have Padma Bhushan Mr. Ashok Gupta on stage? Padma Bhushan Ashok Gupta on stage, sir. Thank you so much for your humble presence, sirs. We request you to do the honors for our next set of awards, ladies and gentlemen. And to start with the awardees, our first award this time is Miss Nidhi Monem. Can we put our hands together for the very gorgeous Miss Nidhi Monem, who's created a mark for herself in the media world. Thank you, sir. She's really humbled by your presence. Thank you. Hearty congratulations to you, Miss Nidhi. Thank you so much. A wholehearted pleasure to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
आऊं क्या बाहर?
Can we request you to speak a few words to them?
Yes, thank you so much, Akhilji, Bharat Icon Awards. It's truly an honor, and I'm humbled to be a part of such a wonderful and a prestigious award. And thank you so much for recognizing me in the design industry, for giving us an opportunity and the motivation to, keep getting better every year. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for your kind words. We request you, sirs, to do the honors for our awardee, Miss Nidhi Monem. Our next awardee, ladies and gentlemen, is Miss Uma Dongre. Can we please have you here on stage, Miss Uma Dongre? A wholehearted pleasure, ma'am, and hearty congratulations to you on being the recipient of the Bharat Icon Awards 2018. Please allow me to escort you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. आपका बहुत स्वागत है. First of all, my name is Uma Dogra. Uma Dogra, thank you so much.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां Miss
We
Uma Dogra जी.
apologize for the mispronunciation. Uma Dogra जी, आपका बहुत स्वागत है. Please आ जाइए.
अखिल जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. इतनी स्टार स्टडीड नाइट में एक क्लासिकल डांसर को जब स्टेज पे बुलाया जाता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर जो रियल कल्चर है उसको आप एनकरेज कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हमारे जैसे ऑर्डिनरी लोग जब किसी चीज से नवाजे जाते हैं तो बहुत खुशी होती है. आई बिलोंग टू अ वेरी वेरी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, बट माई पेरेंट्स हैज टॉट मी to have a full confidence, full faith in your own being. So that's why I'm here, and the blessing of Gurus has took me to the Rashtrapati Bhavan also to have a national award. Thank you very much.
We are so honored by your presence. और मैम जो आपने कहा culture rich होता है only by the classical act. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely honored to have with us Miss Uma Dongre. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hearty congratulations to you. Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, we're truly honored to have with us a very unique personality. मैं unique कहती हूँ because she's an all-rounder and she has an expertise in each and everything. Ladies and gentlemen, उनका हाथ जहाँ पर भी लगता है वो super famous और fabulous हो जाता है. She was born in the very very respectable and the very renowned Nadiadwala family. और वहाँ से जो उनकी journey शुरू हुई, of course, it is truly ongoing into different endeavors, right from being a designer to an interior designer to an actor, an anchor, and very successful in all the endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together from the very lovely lady from the Morani family, Miss Lucky Morani. Can we please have you guys to be here with us on the dais? Ma'am, we are truly honored by your presence. और जी हाँ, आपकी जो मुझे लिस्ट है of things you do, And I'd also love to speak of the sports endeavor में जो इन्होंने अभी लिया है और इनकी टीम को सपोर्ट करती है, उनके बारे में भी बात करेंगे right after some time. Ladies and gentlemen, please let us hear it for the very lovely and dynamic, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Lucky Borani. Ma'am, we are truly honored by your presence. Akhil Bansal sir, yes, we request you to be here. And we also have with us Champak Jain ji. Well, आपको सब लोग जानते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. आप म्यूजिक को एक अलग ही दुनिया में ले जाते हैं और हमें इतनी सुंदर सी म्यूजिक देते हैं. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. The Venus Man. He is Venus. I would love to say Champak Jain ji. It's really an honor to have your presence. Please, I request you to be here. And Miss Lucky, we request you to kindly speak a few words. At first, we are truly honored by your presence. We were all waiting for the talk show to truly honored. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Simran. Thank you, Mr. Akhil Bansal and Bharat Icon Awards for having me here. It's truly a pleasure. And it's always lovely to receive an award. It's always lovely to be felicitated, especially among such an august audience here. It's my pleasure and I'm humbled with this award and I thank you so much. I thank everyone for being present here and being so patient and being here with us at this moment, which is really dear and special to us. Thank you.
Before I request Champak Jain ji to speak a few words, can we also have awardee Nakul Mehta here with us? And well, what do I have to say about this handsome hunk? इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी, दिलीप जी जब आते हैं ना वो टेलीविजन पर, oh my God, all guys have their eyes glued on the television.
बिल्कुल, हमने सब देखा, हमेशा देखते रहे और बहुत सराहना करते हैं कि आपकी एक्टिंग और आपकी तारीफ जितनी की जाए उतनी कम है नकुल जी. और यही कहते हैं ना कि ये रियासतें वजारतें ये 4 दिन की चांदनी मुझे उस फकीर की शान दे कि जमाना जिसकी मिसाल दे. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत.
Thank you so much. आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है Nakul ji. We request you to kindly be with us here on the dais. And Champak Jain ji, we request you to speak a few words.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, special thanks to Bharat Icon Award and Nikhil Bansal साहब, जिनके जो बहुत ही चंद दिनों पहले मुझे मेरी इनसे मुलाकात हुई थी. ये मुझसे मिले थे, उन्होंने कहा था कि मैं ऐसे काम कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई. और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि जो अवार्ड ये दे रहे हैं तो आर्टिस्टों को इतना प्रोत्साहन दे रहे हैं जिससे मोरल उनका बूस्टअप होता है. और जब भी किसी आर्टिस्ट को अवार्ड मिलता है तो वो उसके लिए और भी ज़्यादा काम करने की उसकी मतलब ये हो जाती है कि यार मुझे अभी अवार्ड मिला है तो मुझे और अच्छा काम करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.
Let us all put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for awarding for the very, very woman of substance. And I must say, she's stunningly gorgeous. And she also loves to empower other women. हम इनसे बात करेंगे इनके टीम के बारे में और स्पोर्ट्स अरीना के बारे में, but right after some time. Yes, sir. We request you to speak a few
और
words.
भारत आइकन अवार्ड का जो 3रा साल है और हर साल कुछ न कुछ कमाल करता है, नए सेलिब्रिटीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है, नए चेहरों को इंट्रोड्यूस करता है और हमेशा कोशिश यही रहती है कि हमेशा कुछ नए लोगों को यहाँ पे लेके आए जिनको अभी तक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला है. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां अखिल बंसल सर के लिए.
We would love to congratulate you, Mr. Nakul Mehta, and आप लोगों के दिल जीतने में बहुत माहिर हैं और आपकी आंखों के बारे में क्या कहना, मैं नहीं देखना चाहती हूँ अब क्योंकि I think मैं उसमें खो जाऊंगी. So please speak a few words. If you don't mind, I'll hold the trophy for you.
You can hold me also, actually. Yeah? Firstly, thank you so much. An award, a recognition goes a long way to encourage an artist. And 2 महीने हो गए थे मुझे मेरा last award मिला था. पिछला साल बहुत अच्छा रहा था. Won every Best Actor award without showing off too much. But it's been 2 months and I was missing it. Thank you, Akhilji, for this honor. I'm lucky to share this stage with Lucky. I've worked a lot with your husband and he's given me some of the biggest breaks I've had on television hosting. So, thank you. It's just wonderful to share the stage with you and all of you, such prestigious, such honorable recipients of national awards and industry professionals who have changed the industry in such huge ways. Thank you both of you, doing an amazing job hosting and
Yeah, it just feels great. Bharat, how do you pronounce this? Icon, okay. Icon, Bharat Icon Award. This feels lovely. I think, like, मैम आप गलत बोल रही, मेरा शो का नाम इश्बाज, आप नाम क्यों बोल रही है मुझे नहीं पता. But yes, like Ishbaz, and thank you so much. आप लोग सब यहाँ आए हैं, and you're everyone's, I think, here to congratulate each other and clap for each other. I think that is the beautiful part about being part of this audience. So thank you so much. Have a good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Extremely kind of you. Thank you so much, Nakul. And Lucky, आपके साथ seriously, everyone is so connected with you. You're really lucky for everyone. कि जो भी आपसे बात करते हैं, उनका connection हो जाता है. We did love to thank all our awardees. Thank you so much, both our awardees. And Champakji, we request you, and sirs, we request you to do the honors for our next awardees. Thank you very much, Mr. Nakul Mehta and Ms. Lucky Morani. Can we please invite our district governor, you're on the dais, from Lions Club. Our district governor is here from Lions Club. Can we please have you here to also join them to present the next set of awards. Mr. Sunil Patodia, can we please humbly request you to be here with us on the dais? Thank you very much. Miss Lucky, we're going to have, Miss Lucky Moran, we're going to have the talk show in a few minutes from now. Miss Nisha is also here, Daindra is also here.
स्वामी जी, हम आपको हर साल तकलीफ देते हैं थोड़ा सा. इस साल आपको वहाँ पे बिठा दिया गया, लास्ट ईयर आप यहाँ पे हमारे साथ. लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है आज आपको सामने देखने का मौका मिला.
We have with us quite brilliant, mesmerizing voice. और अल्ताफ राजा को हम बुलाएंगे, लेकिन before that, can you please have the television actor Sumir Pasricha? Can we please have you here? We are extremely proud of you to be the recipient of Bharat Icon Awards 2018.
सुमेर जी को आपने देखा होगा, पम्मी आंटी का एक कैरेक्टर वो आप लोगों के दिलो दिमाग में छा चुका होगा, और आज वो आप सभी के सामने स्टेज पर आने वाले हैं. और ये हमारे स्टेज की क्या कहते हैं कि हम सबका एक सौभाग्य है कि आज हम उनके सामने हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो सोशल मीडिया की दुनिया में जो धमाल मचाया है वो काबिल तारीफ है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Oh, it's always super awesome seeing you. Lovely meeting you. And हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप अपने अंदाज में कुछ बात कीजिए हमारी ब्यूटीफुल ऑडियंस के साथ.
Well, पहले तो मैं आज सुमीर बात कर लेता हूँ. Thank you so much अखिल जी, thank you so much jury for this prestigious award. किसी भी चीज़ के साथ जब भारत का नाम जुड़ जाता है वो और ज़्यादा खास हो जाती है, क्योंकि एक ये हमारा देश है. एंड भारत में 3 एक ऐसे अक्षर है भारत जिनका अलग महत्व है. भ भाव, when you have a sensation. R is the tune, when you are in sync with the nature. And the, when you're tal, when you are going with the same beat with the word. So this award, I think, so whosoever is God, I believe, has these 3 very important qualities to be the perfect human being. So thank you so much Bharat Icon Award for considering me for this award. And मैं ना खुश हो गई है अवार्ड लेके. मैं तो सरला बेबी को दसा नहीं जानते, मैं उन्हें अवार्ड खावांगी और की. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Super.
बड़ा मजा आया. That was absolutely very heart touching. We were waiting for that. Hearty congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, the very popular character of Pammi Aunty. Sumit ji, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Child Female Artist, which goes to Miss Avneet Kaur. Congratulations to you for being the recipient of Bharat Icon Awards 2018, Miss Avneet Kaur. Can we please have you here on the dais?
चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट अवनीत कौर की एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
You You watch her dance, you watch her sing, and sometimes, maximum times you watch her even collecting awards besides acting. Thank you so much, a wholehearted pleasure. How are you feeling this evening?
I'm feeling great actually. A very good evening to everyone. And I'm so excited. I'm really honored to be receiving this award for the Best Child Actress. And with this award, I promise myself to perform better and better each day. And also entertain the audience. And thank you so much, Bharat Icon Awards. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Mama Papa, for always supporting me. I love you.
Woo! Kind of you. Let us all put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen. She's already created a mark for herself as the Best Child Artist. And जो हमारे अगले अवार्डी हैं, वे उनकी आवाज के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? अल्ताफ राजा जी आ जाइए राजा के फेस पे, ladies and gentlemen, let us all applause for the very, very fantastic.
अल्ताफ राजा की एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। क्या बात है?
For Bollywood industry, that's Altaf Raja. कैसे हैं आप सर? And how are you feeling this evening?
I am very fine. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. बड़ी खुशी हो रही है आप लोगों के बीच और इनकी आवाज़ से मैं महसूस हो रहा हूँ मैं बड़ी खूबसूरती से कंपेयरिंग कर रही हैं और यहाँ पर इतनी बड़ी बड़ी हस्तियाँ हैं कि मैं कुछ बोलने के लिए भी डरता हूँ।
हम मिले थे इनकम टैक्स के मंच पर, तो वहाँ पर डर की बात है, यहाँ पर कोई डर की बात नहीं है। इस्कॉन है सर। और
हमारे में कलाकारों में बुजुर्गों की इज्जत की जाती है, तो इसलिए ये जो है तो मैं हमेशा अपने सभी का मेरे घर में मम्मी डैडी की जो ब्लेसिंग्स है वो आज भी साथ में है। ये जो स्टेज है, जैसा अभी प्राची जी ने कहा था कि उनका भी यहीं से आगाज हुआ था। मुझे याद है अच्छी तरह 1989 में गुरु पूर्णिमा में मेरे उस्ताद बैठे हुए थे स्वर्गीय पंडित गोविंद प्रसाद जयपुर वाले जी, और मैंने यहाँ पे मेरा पहला परफॉर्म किया था इसी स्टेज पर, और आज इसी स्टेज पर मुझे अवार्ड मिल रहा है।
क्या बात?
तो पुरानी यादें ताज़ा होती है। आई एम वेरी लकी कि मैं इधर यहाँ पर आप लोगों के बीच हूँ जी।
यस बिल्कुल सर, एक अच्छा सा सॉन्ग वो पहला वाला। यस तुम तो ठहरे।
उसके पहले मैं कुछ आई विल से सम कपलेट्स रिगार्डिंग दिस अवार्ड्स। महताब की न तारों की, सभी कलाकार के दिल की बात कह रहा हूं। महताब की न तारों की बारात दीजिए, फूलों की न बहारों की सौगात दीजिए।
क्या बात?
मैं तो फकीर शहरे मोहब्बत हूँ दोस्तों, मुझको तो सिर्फ प्यार की खैरात दीजिए।
क्या बात क्या बात।
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, गिव मी द बीट। तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे।
क्या बात है?
तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे। तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी, साथ क्या निभाओगे। सुबह पहली गाड़ी से घर को लौट जाओ।
वाह वाह, जोरदार तालियां अल्ताफ राजा सर के लिए। और मोहब्बत का जो महीना है वो स्टार्ट हो चुका है। यस सिमरन।
Yeah, we have get one more award because we slight rush, so I'm sorry. Hearty congratulations to Mr. Altaf Raja for the recipient of Bharat Icon Awards 2018.
एक और कोइंसिडेंस है कि देखिए मेरे जितने भी एल्बम्स आए हैं विनस से आए हैं, हमारे चंपक जी भी बीच में मौजूद है। मैं चाहता हूँ उनके लिए भी ताली हो जाए। तुम तो ठहरे परदेसी एल्बम बस अगर कोई और होता तो शायद रिलीज नहीं हो पाता।
और उन्होंने जिस तरीके से उसको प्रमोट किया और तो एक हिस्ट्री बन चुका है। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप उनके लिए भी ताली बजाएं और अवार्ड उनके बिहाफ पे दे रहा हूँ। थैंक्स थैंक्स।
Thank you, sir. Let us all put our hands together for our awardee for the best young feminist. And she's, well, what do I say, very, very great social worker. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mohini Sharma. Can we please have you guys? Miss Mohini Sharma, our next recipient of the award. Post which, can I please request all the beauty queens to be here on the dais with us. We're going to have a very small talk show. All the beauty queens join us on the dais. Can I please request you to be here so that we don't waste time? And hi, how are you doing? Hearty congratulations to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank everyone present here. Thank you, Akhilji. Thank you, Bharat Icon Awards. And it's a great title, I would say. Youngest feminist and a social activist. I would just say that life has given me such opportunities that I've been able to prove myself at this young age. And what a beautiful day. Starting the day with the motivational talk by Nisha Jamwal. I was there, Nisha, for the district conference of Rotary. And standing here, sharing this stage with you, I think this is one of the best days I will always remember. And getting awarded. I wish you were here with me standing, but please, if you can. Because getting awarded as the youngest feminist and having Nisha and all these dignitaries, thank you, sir. Thank you, Altafji. Thank you.
That's very kind of you. Thank you so much. And we should also request, post, well, this award, Miss Daindra Soares, Miss Lucky Morani, Miss Shweta to join us for a very small, beautiful talk on women empowerment. Miss Pinky Ji, Miss Pinky Rajgaria, can we please have you? And the queens, please, we request you to kindly be here. I know you all take time. You are queens with your crown and your sash. Miss Khushbu, can we please have you here on the dais? Thank you. Miss Madhuri, Miss Seema, all our beauty queens of Mrs. Bharat Icon and the lovely princess. We love the crowns on your head. We love the responsibility you take, and we also love what you cater to the society. We truly appreciate all the work that you do for the society. Thank you very much. Hearty congratulations, and I would love to thank all our dignitaries for doing the honors. Thank you so much, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. I request Ms. Nisha Jamal to stay back. Thank you very much. Can we please invite Ms. Lucky Morani here on stage? And Ms. Shweta, can we please have you too? Ms. Shweta, can we please request you to be here with us? Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we have Ms. Dayandra, please? Ms. Dayandra? Can I request her to kindly step forward? This is the mark, please. Ms. Dayandra and Ms. Lucky, where are you? Yeah, we'll just have, yes, Ms. Dayandra in the center, Ms. Lucky will be in the center, Ms. Nisha will be in the center, Ms. Shweta in the center, yes. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our dynamic beauties, the perfect women of substance here in the house at Bharat Icon Awards 2018. And to all the lovely queens, I'm definitely going to talk to you all and ask you all the wondrous work you've done. But for now, Ms. Shweta, we'll start with you. We're talking about empowering women. We're talking about Save a Girl Child. We talk about causes on, related to women, issues related to women. You already spoke about the beautiful percentage you gave. How about doing something for the girls? Because again, it comes to the same category. We have, the youngest girls, below 35 years of age. So what could be done, to really empower these beautiful girls?
Okay, great. Let me very quickly tell you about myself. I am a mother of 2 young boys. I'm an entrepreneur. I run an IT company. I started the IT company in 30,000 rupees about 8 years ago, and today it's about 300 crore company. I work as advisor to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. I'm also the spokesperson for Bharatiya Janata Party. I think if I can do it, anybody can. Second, I don't believe in the term of women empowerment because every single woman is more empowered than anybody else. You cannot empower any other person. So if you have to actually do something for girls, kids, children, the only thing that you need to do is to give her the confidence, educate her, give her the opportunity, and ensure that she flies because she's blessed with wings. All she needs to do is have the confidence that she can fly.
That's beautiful. All she does is, well, she needs to have the confidence that she can fly, and this is what makes them truly powerful. Coming to Lucky Morani, I'd like to tell you something about her. And I was very, very happy, because we invited her for our last event and she said she was busy encouraging her team. And I see that her team is always a win-win situation. Well, Lucky सबके लिए जिसमें मैंने कहा Lucky है, please हमें बताइए कि आप इतना सब कुछ कैसे करते हैं, You also have, your fabulous fashion shows. You also walk the ramp for other designers. And of course, your films, your anchor bit, it's all in one. So you do so much for the society, so much for these lovely girls, especially about the tournament. I'd like to ask you, you've really given them so much. Just speak a few words, Nikaz, to say.
Thank you, Simran, for all your kind words. You're really generous. I must say you're doing a fabulous job and you look lovely. So thank you so much. You're just here complimenting all the other women on the dais and encouraging all of us. And I'd like to say that someone has to say that you're doing a fabulous job, and thank you so much. About me, yes, I have a throwball team for women for the first time. It's for the Tony Premier League. And I really feel blessed to be a woman who has started this for the first time, a women's throwball team. Women have been playing throwball, but it's never been part of a league, never been part of, we've started IPL and we've done T10 and T20 and cricket matches and futsal and everything, for men. There has never been anything for women, and I feel honored to have started a women's throwball team for the Tony Premier League. Other than that, I've always been a strong supporter of women's causes. I did help Leelavati Hospital in raising funds for Save the Girl Child. We live in a country that believes that the male child is somehow much better than the female child. We still have remote corners, villages in our country that abort the girl child the minute they know that it's a girl. It's really sad. Women empowerment is not about bra burning, taking out processions and all of that. It's about understanding and realizing that the girl child, if not the same as a male child, is even better than the male child. Margaret Thatcher once said, if you want something said, tell a man. If you want something done, tell a woman. When you educate a boy, a man, you're educating a single individual. But when you educate a girl, she grows up to be a mother, she grows up to be a woman who's handling an entire family. So when you educate a girl, you're educating an entire family. So we should pay attention to educating girls. We should pay attention to empowering girls in that sense. We are not competing with men. We don't want to walk ahead of them or prove ourselves better than them. We need to walk alongside them. We have to live in a society that walks with them, helps them to better themselves. Just like we feel better, like if we walk alongside them or even a step behind them, we are actually the forces that push them to success. Because behind every successful man, there's always a woman. So it's about, empowerment is about that. Finally, I'd like to conclude by saying that empowering a woman is not about making a woman strong. It's about changing the perception about how she is looked at as being strong by society. That's all. We have to change our thinking. And the woman is always born strong, so it's just how we think about it. If we all think that she's a strong child as she's taking birth, as she's growing up, as she's a daughter, as she's a wife, as she's a mother. I think in that lies the strength of a family and the nation in all. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your kind words on strength of a woman. We'd also like to have Mrs. Sunil Pal on stage. We request you to be in the center. Meanwhile, I request you, Ms. Nisha Jamwal. Well, what do I have to say? I don't have to ask her anything because she is really one of the best speakers the country has today. And of course, this is something very close to her heart to speak on empowering women. Ma'am, please.
Firstly, thank you for being such an excited, happy audience. There's a lot of energy in this room today. I'm very happy to be in your midst. And on this esteemed panel of beautiful women on one side and on the other, empowered women. I agree with Lucky. In fact, I vociferously agree with her that we are a nation that definitely needs to empower our women. I don't believe at all that we are still as empowered as we should be. I think we do live in a patriarchal society, and I think our viewpoints must change. I want to share with you a very tiny little way that we can bring a major change in our country.
Wow, we want to know that.
You know, who gives birth to young boys? It's women, after all. And we women can actually change the patriarchal aspect, because if all mothers were to teach their young boys respect for women, and were to teach their little boys not to eve tease, because eve teasing is not funny like the way Dharminder and Devanand used to do in the movies. You know, we have to learn to respect our sisters, our friends at school. And do you know that the instance of rape would go down by more than 50%? So
Need of the hour.
that's the need of the hour. So it's the mothers who can actually bring change. And it's, you know that when we have a boy child and we tell him Bhavishya ke baare mein socho, why don't we have such expectations from our girls? Why don't we push our girls to perform in their careers? So my mantra is enrichment, empowerment, nutrition, and thought that should go into the girl child to make her into a performer as importantly as we do with the boy. So we raise the bar and we raise our expectations. And of course, value systems. I think Prime Minister Modi made a very important, sent a very important message into India when one of the most important portfolios, which is defense, was given to Nirmala Sitharaman. I salute Prime Minister Modi for doing that. He believes in women empowerment as much as he does for handicapped access. So I salute the man for giving us this empowered stage. And I believe that ever since he's come into power, there's been so much more discourse on this subject. So I want to also thank Akhil and Simreen for calling us all here to share our views. And that brings me to another point of role models. I think we need more women role models. We need more men role models who encourage women. And we need more jobs for women. Just like it's become compulsory to have women directors on the boards of corporates. Did you know that and Unilever have created an ecosystem where women can come back after pregnancy? So I think that's a very important thing, and more corporates need to create measures by which women are encouraged, and women are encouraged to come back, a little more work given to them if they are on maternity leave. Little steps, baby steps, and we can take our country to a higher, like I said earlier, the US and China are scoring ahead with their GDP because there are more women in their workforce. So we do need more women in our workforce, and we cannot complacently sit back and say, hey, women are empowered. They aren't. That's absolute, to use some profanity, that is BS. Because we need to work for women. We are sitting in a very charmed society of Bombay. It's very, very different out there, not only in villages, but even in our shanty towns in Bombay, right here under our noses. So please, please, let us empower women, because that's the way for India to be standing heads and shoulders with the world.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Ms. Dandra and Ms. Nipa, I request you kindly speak a few words, please. And I've never seen you so serious in life. For the first time I've seen you so serious.
Did you want me to start laughing? While
No,
you were
not
talking about
laughing,
such
but
a
a beautiful
serious subject?
smile.
Yeah, that's the beautiful smile. Nisha, you rightly actually stole the thoughts from my mind. That it's very important for mothers to actually, it's the women who need to teach their children, because at the end of the day, everyone talks about let's educate. It all comes down to education. Oh, they are uneducated. Oh, I have seen the most educated people in our, like you said, privileged circles that we are in, behave absolutely horribly, for a lack of better word, and so it all boils down to not education at that level, but I think education at your primary level, which is your primary education, which is at home, and it starts there. As for women and empowerment and strength and all of these things that we talk about, yes, women are strong, and yes, we give birth, and so obviously we have that kind of strength and power because you can give life. But aside of any of these things, it's basically, like I said, your primary education. So I wish and hope that people can be good parents. I'm lucky to have amazing parents, which is why I am allowed to be the way I am, being an Indian and being in this country. Yet, having said that, in the privileged circles, I still face these discriminations. So we do face it too. So we can only imagine the level of discrimination, in smaller cities, villages, exactly.
Very well said. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. And I would love to thank all the dynamic ladies and gentlemen, here at the Bharat Icon Awards 2018. We would love to thank all the beautiful ladies, and thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. And I sincerely apologize since we have the awardees waiting, and we have, yes. We would also like to invite Miss Lisa Malik here on dais. Can you please have you here on stage, Miss Lisa Malik? It's really an honor to have your presence too. So joining the lovely ladies, yeah. Miss Lisa, can I request you to be in the center, please? In the center. Ma'am, meanwhile we have the photo up. Can we request you to sing a few lines for us now?
You know what? Before I came here last 4 days, I'm down viral. But looking at all the beautiful ladies and all the beautiful people here, I guess what my doctor couldn't do in last 4 days, these faces did for me. So मेरे ख्याल से antibiotics मैं ऐवे ही ले रही थी. मुझे 4 दिन पहले यहाँ आ जाना चाहिए था अगर award ceremony होता. खैर, having said that, गला खराब है, but that's an excuse which most of the singers give, but genuinely है. But sir, fraud romance. So I guess 2 line. तेरी रिपोर्ट बड़ी रॉन्ग है प्यार में, बेबी तेरा फ्रॉड रोमांस है. कहीं पे निगाहें निशाना कहीं पे, घूमे कहीं और तो ठिकाना कहीं पे. मोबाइल पे लोकेशन बहुत लोग छुपा के रखते हैं. वो एक टेक्नोलॉजी होता है where you hide your location. So we picked up the line from there. An idea सर का था, right? मोबाइल पे लोकेशन छुपाए है रखता, बेबी तेरा फ्रॉड रोमांस है. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We request our dignitaries, Ms. Dayanja, Ms. Nisha, Mr. Sunil Paul, and Ms. Lucky Borani to do the honors and felicit our awardee, Ms. Lisa Malik, ladies and gentlemen.
This one is really special because I'm getting a beautiful one over there from a gorgeous woman whom I genuinely love. Lucky, you know I love you.
You know I love you too, Lisa.
I know.
Very well deserved. Congratulations.
Hearty congratulations to you. Can we also invite awardee Ms. Madhuri R. Sharma, the wondrous nutritionist, and she really believes in making health of people, giving them the best of health. Please put your hands together for Ms. Madhuri Sharma. We request you to kindly come.
Before anybody comes on stage, let me thank Bansal Sahab and Champak Jain sir. This one is because of you. Thank you.
Ma'am, can we also request you to felicitate our very renowned nutritionist. And she's also a queen and princess. Of course, she gives the health mantras to everyone. And she fought for a change to have one for herself. She's a queen. We're also honored to have Miss Universe, ladies and gentlemen, with us here. We have with us Miss Universe. We also have with us Miss Teen Universe, Srishti Kaur with us, and the lovely queens from the Bharat Icon 2017 family, who are the recipients of Mrs. Bharat Icon, and they've done great work for the society. We'd like to invite and felicitate Ms. Shilpa Agarwal, an entrepreneur, and we congratulate you on your entrepreneurship skills. Can we please have Ms. Shilpa Agarwal?
Guys, so many good-looking ladies on stage. Please clap. That's an insult to these good-looking ladies. Please clap.
And
we can do better.
Mrs. Universe 2017. Hearty congratulations to you, Ms. Shilpa Agarwal. Well, he's a truly fantastic, positive person. Please put hands together for Zakir Hussain. और मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी इस पर आने के लिए मेरा lovely ladies. हम फिर से करना चाहेंगे मिस्टर Zakir Hussain जी को. सर बहुत बधाई हो आपको सर. I would love to thank all our beautiful princess, our queens, and our dignitaries. Shall felicitate Mr. Zakir Hussain. Sir, आपको कैसे लग रहा है इतनी सारी ladies के बीच में? Usually, of course, everyone knows you sit in the center for playing negative characters. लेकिन अब आपको डर लग रहा है? Let's ask him. और you're super happy and excited. और ऐसे कभी मौका नहीं मिला आपको?
अच्छा माहौल मिले थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है और आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक क्योंकि आपने काम किए और बिल्कुल आई एम फीलिंग वेरी एम्पावर्ड थैंक यू सो मच all of you thank you very much.
That's very kind of you. Thank you for your kind words, sir. We request the lovely ladies to do the honors. And once again, we did love to thank all our dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, our very special dignitaries who've really taken time out of their busy schedule. And we like to present a small memento to Miss Shweta, a small token of love from us, Bharat Icon family. Can I please request Mr. Akhil Bansal, the founder, ladies and gentlemen, the founder of Bharat Icon Awards, and Miss and Mrs. Bharat Icon. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. We would love to thank all the gorgeous, stunning ladies. You've really made this place super bright, I must say, by your presence and your lovely smiles. And your words go with us, and I'm sure they've really created a mark right now in this auditorium, and we shall definitely take it forward. Thank you, ma'am. Right from Miss Shweta to Miss Lucky to Miss Nisha. That's so kind. That's so kind of you, ma'am. So kind of you.
Hats off to Simreen. She has been congratulating us all, but I think we must acknowledge her tenacity, standing here, welcoming us all, working so hard, and an example of women's.
A big round of applause for Simran, please.
Sandra, you always keep smiling, yeah. I was scared. I've never seen her like this. She's always so naughty. I have no words to express. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Miss Lisa. That was very kind of you. And thank you very much, Mrs. Sunil Pal. And to all the lovely beauties, right from Miss Teen Universe to Mrs. Bharat Icon family and the Miss Bharat Icon and the lovely beauty queens from across the world. Let's hear it for them. Cheers to women empowerment. Thank you very much. Moving ahead. Can we please invite our dignitaries? We already have Ms. Nita Gautam with us, and while Ms. Shub walks up to her, we request her to speak a few words.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
What's up?
First of all, I'm really very humbled and honored to receive this award here this evening. And I would like to thank Mr. Abhijit Bokar, Mr. Bansal, and of course Bharat Icon Awards. It's a very special feeling, and when you get awarded, it's not the end of the journey, it's the beginning of the journey. Thanks for this motivation. Thanks for this little pat on our backs to do more. Thank you so much. I'm humbled. Thank you, Simran.
I love the soft voice. Thank you so much for that. Ma'am, yes. We request Ms. Shub Malhotra to do the honors and felicitate our awardee. Hearty congratulations to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. We thank you a lot for doing the honors, and we're going to have one performance, and this time